by one of our partners in Utah, and they asked if we might consider taking him into our care. He had been at a shelter for about 2 months with no interest. He had no manners, really didn't like other dogs, and acted hyper and jumpy to get attention from people. The shelter staff loved him. They just couldn't place him. We asked questions, got more info, and decided to accept him on a big transport. When we first met Kip, we fell in love with his oversized paws and huge heart. Sure, he was a butthead towards other dogs, but people, he loved people. Kip arrived on August 5th, 2017. He went through a hold period while we updated his vaccinations and got him neutered, and then he was adopted on August 19th. He came back to us on September 30th. He didn't love people anymore. His return was a whirlwind of barking, lunging, growling, and jumping. We weren't paying attention to his cute face anymore. We were just trying to figure out how to handle it. Daily cares became a challenge.